Healing the soul isn't something that happens in one beautiful sunrise or in a weekend retreat or after falling in love again, though all of those things may help. Healing is a slow art. It's a quiet stitching of what was once torn apart. It's remembering how to listen to yourself after years of silencing your own needs. It's learning to trust the ground beneath your feet, even if it once crumbled beneath you. Some wounds don't just hurt, they shape us. They teach us to shrink, to bend, to stay quiet in the face of conflict. They teach us to stay when we should run, and to run when we should have stayed. They make us forget who we actually are. They make us forget who we really are, little by little, until we wake up one day in a life that doesn't really feel like our own. A healing from that, it takes time. It takes a grief, real and raw and chest-crackling grief for the years you lost, for the parts of yourself that you gave away, the dreams that were shelved to make someone else comfortable. It takes courage to look at your own life honestly and say, this isn't right for me anymore. But it also takes tenderness, so much tenderness and softness to forgive yourself for staying too long, to forgive others, even if they never say sorry back to you, to allow yourself joy again without guilt or apology, to rest deeply and unapologetically, and to remember that you are not broken, only buried. Healing looks different for everyone. For some, it's a therapy or long walks in the forest. For others, it's years cried alone in the car or books that feel like lifelines. For many of us, it's nature, the way the earth reminds us that nothing blooms all year. There is dormancy, and dormancy is not death, but it's just preparation. It may look like planting a garden or making soup, or finally setting a boundary, or saying no, or yes, or goodbye, or I love you. When it feels really, really scary, it may look like dancing in your kitchen at midnight, or collapsing into your friend's arms and not saying anything at all. And no matter how strong you are, healing often comes with relapse into old fears, old patterns, old wounds that reopen just when you thought they were closed. But there's the thing, relapse doesn't mean failure, it means that you are a human. And every time you return to yourself, you are reinforcing the truth. You are worthy of a peaceful life, you are allowed to feel safe, you deserve to love that doesn't cost you your voice. And the soul is patient, it waits, it watches, it never gives up on you. So, my friend, wherever you are in your healing, whether you've just begun or you're somewhere in the middle, or you've come far and still find yourself aching, now and then you are doing it, you are healing. Some days you feel like you're finally flying. Other days, just lifting your head up is a victory. But every step matters. Every breath matters. Every small act of kindness towards yourself is a thread in the tapestry that you're slowly weaving back together for yourself. Let it take the time it needs. Let yourself be slow, soft and messy and real. And one day, so quietly you may not even notice it at first, you will wake up and realize you feel whole again. Not the same, not untouched, but strong in the places that once bled, and more yourself than you have ever been before. So, if you are healing, take heart. You are not behind, you are not broken, you're simply in the middle of the becoming, a quiet, powerful transformation that can't be rushed. Trust the slow magic, trust the little moments. Let your love you give yourself today be enough. And when it gets heavy again, as it sometimes will, remember, this is also a part of the healing. You are not alone, and you are already on your way home to yourself.